Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a short one. I had actually received a package from Sigma, and this is a package that I forgot. And I had my eye on this palette for quite some time. And they had Sigma packages, their stuff so good. But I had my eye on this palette right here, which is the Magnifique. I don't know how to say it. Eyeshadow palette. And it came with a brush. And these palettes are typically, I think they're $29 regular price, and sometimes they put them on sale. And I had put this in my cart when it was half off, and I never went back and ordered it. And when I happened to log on, I got a text, the text from Sigma, and it was free shipping, and this palette was marked down to $11. So I scooped it up, and it came with a brush. And y'all know I loved my Sigma brushes. This is an tapered blending, an E40, and this is a very good brush. And I have several of their travel brushes, and they work. I reach for them just as quick as I would, the long brush. But these are perfect. They're not tiny. Well, no, maybe it is around the same size. But anyway, I have several of these size brushes. But this is what the palette looks like. It's purple with the lace on it. And these are the shades, and I have not, didn't come with the mirror, but these are the shades. Let's see, there's 3 shimmers and 3 mattes, and I think this was a holiday palette, maybe, but I think it was just this size. I think it had a cheap palette that went with it. But anyway, I got this one. For $11, I got a very nice Sigma brush, which Sigma brushes are pricey, but I encourage you to check out their sale page, because when they have sales, you can see the same brush. It may be in a different color, and it may be $3 cheaper. So look around if you're on Sigma. Highly recommend these brushes. Yes, they're pricey, but I have had a Sigma brush in my collection for about maybe 8 years maybe. It was the very first brush I had. It's an E25, and I still have it. I still use it. I used it today. As a matter of fact, I used it today. I did my brows, I did my eyes, and I put a little lip on. That's it. Nothing else on my face. I did some skincare last night, so I really want that to continue to work. I didn't want to put a base on. But this is worth $11 on its own, and it was free shipping. Plus, I got 6 shades from a brand that I adore. I love Sigma. That's I've never hid that. I don't have anything bad to say about Sigma palettes or brushes. Now, I don't like their sponge, the 3D HD sponge. I don't like that. That it's just a little too hard. It's not squishy, but it does get in the crevice is very good. So I still use it at times, but not very, very much. I guess I just dropped the plastic that the brush came in, but that's okay. But I had got this, and I had opened it, you know, and opened this to make sure that it, you know, it was all in one piece. And I stuck it back in the box. I think it came when we had the kids or something. Anyway, and I stuck it in my little shelf where I normally film at, and that is black, and this is black. So I had it slid, and it was slid from this end, so you couldn't see it. It was on the bottom. And when I was going through getting different things today for a few videos I was going to film, I said, I'll be daggone. So anyway, I wanted to pull that out and show you guys that, you know, check their site. Check Sigma's site. I can't recommend them enough. I don't have an affiliate code. They don't have a clue who the shit I am. But they're just one of my top 5 favorite eyeshadow brands. And top 3 brushes. Rephr, probably number 1. Rephr can be expensive if you pay full price, but if you can snag them on half off, man, they really are worth it. They truly are. And then Sigma, and probably, I hate to say it, but Morphe, because they are affordable, they are easily replaceable, you know. Anyway, so that's that little forgotten unboxing for you guys. All right, till I see you again, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. We have a lot of fun up here. I love to talk. You know, be kind, be beautiful. Give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down. I love constructive criticism. You know, leave me a comment. What is your favorite eyeshadow brand? Okay, guys, I will see you later. Bye.